everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Today's quick tip is about my new whisks that I got. They look pretty cool. They just came in the mail and we're going to use them today in mixing our ingredients. And this is what they look like. One is bigger than the other, so that's kind of cool. So for when you need a big one or you need a small one, and you just push them down and they spin. I used it the other day when I first got the bigger one. The little one just came in, and I tell you, I was making Asian food, and I had to stir in the cornstarch. I could not stir the cornstarch. It wasn't working. And I put this thing in it and started to do it. It worked really, really well. So I really like them. How'd that new thing work?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? All right, let me use it over here for a second. Well, here it is. Here's the little, because I think that would probably be better in a little pot. I'm telling you, this thing works so good, and it was so inexpensive. What a neat idea. I'll just put that there. Here's the big one. Yeah, I think you want to use the big one on a bigger bowl. I'm going to say yes, this definitely works. That's my review. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.